every subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. In this video, I am telling about one of the best crypto AI platform, which is the name of Glads AI. I will explain each and everything detail. So disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So let's start the review now. So Glads AI. Now you can check out home solution about light paper detail. Play, train and deeply exchange. Watch now and explore our tech. Our ecosystem is a built of conspiracy with ChatGPT and etc. and our technology. Now you can check out our detail. Adding network and commission collaborative of software. Create AI farms, trading using open source and legacy Web3 AP Play to train. Buy, sell, exchange and listen your AIs in your market. Develop and cycle your project with LS. So now you can check out C labels details. Here some official roadmap detail on 2025 launch. MVP detail. Now you can check out MVP detail and basic charting and basic AI features and integration. So now you can check out integration detail. Platform enhancement. So now you can check out new website, additional data source and analytics. So now you can check out more AI features. So now ecosystem detail, CLX listing and business and data analytics solutions. State. Gold market overview. Now you can check out this highest market cap and USD price per token. Now you can check out token current price. These are best opportunities to buy this token. Where to buy? Buy on Redidium on Jetport. So you simply ways now you can click and you can buy this token on Redidium on a Jetport. So community, join the conversation with any Discord, Telegram and Twitter account. Stay updated with a part of the community. So now you can simply tap, you can must be follow this Discord server and you can must be follow this Telegram community and you can must be join Telegram community and Twitter account. Glads AI. Now you can check out about detail of the project. So here are some official community, which are first of the official Telegram community. Glads AI official. I have placed official link in my video description. Glads AI in an AI driven platform, revolution AI development, training and monetization powered by Ghost Tokenomics. Now you can check out next Telegram channel Glads AI official like that. Now you can must be follow this and now you can must be follow this official Twitter community. I have placed our official link in my video description. Glads AI. Unlock AI innovation and Glads expansion tokenomics built on and celebrity monetization your natural network in your sense. Decentralized environment. So now you can check out all of detail GM your circulation. Now you can check out official Twitter post. You can must be follow and you can join this official Twitter post like that. Now you can see check out all of plan. Next, now you can check out pump fund detail how it's work and now you can check out all of detail how to buy this token and place order. First of all, connect your any wallet and MetaMask. You can buy this wallet and now you can some soul and you can place this trade order. Here trade history like that. Now you can check out this official trade history like that and now you can check out all of details about this project and holder distribution details. Now you can see and now you can check out Glads information project and third and like that. Now you can see each and everything detail about pump. This project is very pumpful in future. This token price is very high. So next, you can must be subscribe on YouTube channel. I have placed official link in my video description Glads AI. So now you can check out two videos like that. You can must be read out and you can watch. Here are some DEX standard details about this project. Now you can check out price USDT current price and now you can check out market price and now you can check out this liquidity and now you can check out all of detail about this project. Here are some all official details and holders liquidity. Now you can check out market cap and now you can check out price graph and this price graph is very high and in price in future is very high. So it's the best opportunities to buy this token and earn money online. And here is some transaction details hashtag like that. Now you can check pair creator details and now you can check out all official link in my video description. You can must be watch out all of information DEX scanner detail. Here some official Discord community. I have placed official link in my video description. You can simply click and you can join. Here are some official GitHub exchange detail. So Gate is supportive financial research. So now you can must be follow this Gate have official details, and now you can check out Gladi ASMI. So now you can check out all of detail about Gate have information. It's the best opportunity to buy this token and earn money online. So now you can check out light paper detail introduction. Glad's transfer will how artificial intelligence integrated and unstored. Our platform employer development and create empowered supervision AI mode without driving ownership of the developer team. So now you can check out this light paper detail about like that. Now you can check out all of information. Glads is a technology research company focused on official artificial intelligence development or gaming, with most current AI solutions rely to script mode and script inputs and needs. Our solution can be applied to everything from magnification, optimization to signification and research to video games. And now you can check out this team details about like that, and now meet this team amazing like that. And now you can check out the revenue streams, platform fees, subscription service, additional revenues, progress, growth, legacy, and long-term value creation, future development, platform fundamentation and platform unity and development mode, and long-term stability and tokenomics. You can must be read this tokenomics, total supply like that. Now you can check out this total supply, token distribution, token unity detail, and revenue model, and long-term term history, all of detail. Now you can check out. Now you can check out solution, get apps, and app store, and now you can check out this get apps, Discord bot, and like that Web3 API, and now you can check out this home detail. So it's the best opportunities to buy this token, and now you can check out all of information Glad's AI platform. So I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.